Let's look at the next property of proportion, that is dividendo. Okay, I am going to take two ratios which are in proportion. They are A is to B and C is to D. So because these two ratios are in proportion, they must be equal. Okay, now I take the ratio A is to B. In this ratio, what I am going to do is I am going to subtract the second term from the first term A. I get A minus B. Now I form a new ratio with A minus B as a first term, B as a second term. So the same thing I am going to do in the ratio C is to D. That is, I am going to subtract the second term D from the first term C. I get C minus D. Now I form a new ratio with C minus D as the first term, D as the second term. These two new ratios will be in proportion. That is, they will be equal. So this property is called dividendo.